Hello everyone, this is Hameen Phillips with SlickyWebDomains.com, and today I want to show you a effective and easy way to redirect your naked, or they also call bare domain name, to your full domain name. The method I'm going to show you here is very easy. Is if you're not too savvy with HTML and websites and or any of that, this is a easy way for you to get this done. First, let me give you an example of what a bare domain name is. If you go to the website Sticky Web Domains, and let's say you wanted to reach the site without the www, you might just type in the bare domain name, which is purchasedomainname.org, and you hit enter. As you can see, that basically redirected that bare domain name to the full domain name right away. Okay, so that is what a bare domain redirect does. Let me show you a site that does not utilize that. Okay, so in this case, at a site called signshopracing.com. Okay, if I was to go to this site without the www, basically what happens is it stays at that bare domain name, the naked domain. It does not redirect. And what you can see happen in a case like that is that you could have duplicate content, because the bare domain and the full domain are both served on their own DNS records. And what can happen in that case is you can find issues with duplicate content, and when Google goes to crawl your site, they might see a lot of duplicate content issues because of the fact that you have two domains with the exact same content on two different DNS records. So to avoid the whole duplicate content issue, and in some cases there are websites that does not even work if you don't type in the www. For instance, if I go to some sites without the www, it'll show an error message. It can't even serve the site without it. And some hosting companies, maybe like a free hosting company or something like that, will not provide two separate DNS records for the bare domain and the full domain, so they will only serve the full domain. So to help this situation out, there's a website called www.wizard.com, and on this site they provide a service, and it's free. You don't have to sign up or anything like that. All you basically do is use the IP address given, and with this IP address, this will redirect your bare naked domain to your full domain. And it's just that easy. There is no HTML knowledge or coding you have to do. All you do is go to your host. You go to your A and C name records. You usually find these settings in your DNS settings. Type in the IP address on the A record. As you can see, purchasedomainname.org. That's the bare domain. And to redirect it to the full domain, you want to use the IP address and put it here where you see destination. That will reroute it down here to the full domain. Okay, so that's it. It's that simple. And for those of you who want to use the PageSpeed service by Google, this works great for that particular reason. Is that if you use PageSpeed, you know that PageSpeed only will serve the websites using a full domain. And if you're using the service, it's not going to be effective on the naked domain. So to utilize a service like PageSpeed, this redirect works great because your site will be just as fast if someone types in the bare domain or the full domain, because your bare domain will redirect to the full domain. So if you're using a service like PageSpeed, you definitely want to utilize this redirect service. Okay. Again, here's the website you want to go to do it. There's some information on naked domains and bare domains and the IP address to get this done. Again, this is Hameen Phillips, and I hope to see you guys again with StickyWebDomains.com.